Hello, I'm Erin Ween, and I will be your child's geometry teacher this year. In this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself and a little bit about the class. And if you have questions after watching this video, please feel free to reach out to me. I grew up in Greenwood, Indiana, and I went to Greenwood High School. I attended Purdue for my undergrad and Ball State for my master's program. I am married to Mark Ween, who teaches English 9 in the Freshman Center, and we have 3 kids. Fun fact, our oldest son, Logan, actually teaches 7th grade history at Creekside Middle School. My middle son, Camden, graduated from Purdue last year in accounting, and our daughter, Kendall, is a sophomore at Purdue studying elementary education. This is my 30th year at Carmel High School, and it's hard for me to believe that I have been here that long. I was hired at Carmel High School for my very first teaching job when I graduated from Purdue, and I have been here ever since. To me, freshmen are the best age to teach, and I love being in the Freshman Center because of the energy and enthusiasm for learning that the freshman kids have. So that's a little bit about me, and now I'm going to tell you a little bit about geometry. As far as what you need to know for class this year, there are a few things that I will share with you. First of all, my main goal for your child this year is to actually build their confidence and their love of mathematics. I believe all kids can find success in math, and I want my class to be a safe place where students can enjoy the process of learning, take risks while they're learning, and also be willing to learn from their mistakes. As far as what we do in class each day, students will come into class and they will be randomly placed in groups of 3. We usually start at our desks and we're discovering and connecting the math to real-world situations that students can then see a need for what we're going to be learning that day. After that, the students will work together at whiteboards that are hanging around the room, and they will try to apply what they have discovered at their desks. Finally, we will take the concepts that we've learned and practice at the boards, and we will practice more at their desks so that students can see individually if they're able to grasp the material. As far as what homework will look like for your child, I will usually have a short assignment for them each class, and they will complete it online, or there'll be a worksheet that's handed out in class. The homework will give your child an indication if they understand the material that we had covered in class. If you find or they find that they're having trouble completing their homework assignments, then they can send me a message and come into SSRT to go over that assignment. As far as tests, we will have 1 test over each chapter, and we will cover 5 to 6 chapters per semester. The test will make up 90% of their semester grade, and the homework will be the other 10%. In order to prepare for the test, your child can go back over the online assignments and review those. They can also access personal tutor videos online for the sections they need more support on. The information on how to find those personal tutor videos is on my homepage in Canvas. Next, I want to talk about how your child can get help if needed. First of all, your child can always ask me questions during class. If they want additional help, though, beyond class, I am available before school and during SSRT. I also have 2 sophomore math tutors that are former students of mine, and they are available each SSRT to help tutor in my room. In addition, the National Honor Society kids will start tutoring all subjects, not just math, during SSRT, so if they want to go that route, I can help them sign up for that, or if they want to come into my SSRT, I can show them how to sign up for that in Minga. The next item I want to tell you about is the relearning and retaking opportunities. There will be chances to relearn and reassess on tests. I just ask that your child participate in class and complete all the online assignments or worksheets on time. If your child would like to relearn topics and reassess, they will just need to let me know and I can talk them through how to do that. This year, the maximum score on a retake test in geometry is 80%. The last item I want to tell you about is what your student will need for class. So your student will need a calculator for class every day. I would suggest there are 2 options for calculators. So both of these are TI-30s. They're just different models, but they are scientific calculators that are sold at most stores, or you can buy them on Amazon. They can also purchase a toolkit if they want to that has a compass, protractor, and ruler in it if they don't want to have to borrow my kit during class. Thank you so much for listening to all this information. Once again, if you need to get in touch with me about anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.